Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get monetized on YouTube. So the first thing you're going to want to need is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 365 days. So 1 year period. And it's a rolling 1 year period. So say if you got like 3,000 views from April of 2021 to April of 2022 and you don't fall within the requirements, then you could try again for May of 2021 to May of 2022 watch hours. Let me show you guys what I mean. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to youtube.com and be signed on to your account. So at the top right, you're going to click on your profile picture, and then you're going to go over to YouTube Studio. And as you can see here, I have 1,000 subscribers. Now along the left hand side, you'll see multiple options. Scroll down until you see monetization. It should be right under copyright and above customization. So click on monetization. Okay, and right here you can see all of the requirements you need to get monetized on YouTube. As you can see, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. As you can see, I have 13,000 public watch hours. You need two-step verification set up, and you need 0 active community guideline strikes. And right here, you see the option to apply. So I'm going to click on apply now. And you're just going to want to review the partner program terms. So I'm just going to click on start. And then you're going to read over everything. Just a quick highlight here. You'll see YouTube would pay you 55% of net revenues. So basically, YouTube gets a cut of 45% of the ads, and you get paid the other 55%. And same with subscriptions revenue, which when people subscribe to join your channel, you'll get 55% of that. And just read through everything. And I've done this before, so I know what this entails. And right here, I'm just gonna click on accept the YouTube partner program terms. Click on that box. And down here, accept terms. And then it's just gonna be loading for a little bit. Okay, so step 1 is complete. Create a new AdSense account or connect one to your channel. So I currently have a Google AdSense account. So let's see how I go through that step. I'm just gonna click on start. You have an existing account? Yes, I have an existing account. You have to do this because you're only allowed 1 AdSense account per person. However, if you don't already have other YouTube channels that are monetized, you most likely don't have an AdSense account, but you'll know if you already have one. Okay, so I'm going to connect my existing AdSense account. I'm not sure how much of this part I can show, but now I'm just going to click on continue. Okay, so I didn't want to show that part because this shows some personal information, but as you can see, step 2 is now done. I have linked my AdSense account, and now it is in step 3, which is being reviewed. YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with YouTube monetization policies. We'll email you a decision, usually within a month. This step will begin automatically after you complete the first 2 steps. So that's all you have to do at this point. I'm just going to wait to see if YouTube accepts my channel into the YouTube partnership program. And that's all, guys. The hard part is just getting the subscribers and the watch time. From here, you just got to keep maintaining and get more views so that you could get paid. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. I'll see you guys later.